Good day everyone. This video presented flashcards containing division of numbers. I placed timer for you to answer each question. And if you done, you can check your answers by looking at the answers key at the end of this video. So good luck and let's start. Number 1, 35 divided by 5. Number 2, 49 divided by 7. Number 3, 36 divided by 6. Number 4, 64 divided by 8. Number 5, 18 divided by 2. Number 6, 21 divided by 3. Number 7, 42 divided by 7. Number 8, 55 divided by 5. Number 9, 56 divided by 8. Number 10, 81 divided by 9. Number 11, 100 divided by 10. Number 12, 144 divided by 12. Number 13, 121 divided by 11. Number 14, 60 divided by 5. And number 15, 90 divided by 9. Okay, good luck. You can check your answers by looking at these key answers. Number 1, 7. Number 2, 7. Number 3, 6. Number 4, 8. Number 5, 9. Number 6, 7. Number 7, 6. Number 8, 11. Number 9, 7. Number 10, 9. Number 11, 10. Number 12, 12. Number 13, 11. Number 14, 12. Number 15, 10. So congratulations if you got perfect score. If not, you can try again answering by looking or by replaying this video.